Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Badger. Alright, wanted to do a full video on that. I mean, yesterday became very bullish. Rallied a total of like, since Wednesday it has rallied a total of 120%. But over the course of yesterday, a Saturday, which usually is not that volatile, we rallied a total of 80%. So very bullish. A lot of people talking about it, so I just wanted to chime in and give you my thoughts about Badger. All right, we'll do a full analysis on what I think is most likely right here, what's going on, etc. So first of all, purely technically, Badger looks amazing. All right, if you really zoom out, what you'll see is that this level right here, which now seems very far below us, but this level right here at like 7 and 7.5 historically is a super important and a super strong key level. All right. So breaking above that on the daily is very bullish. Either way, like even if Badger drops down 30% right now, we'll still be fine. And I think over the longer term, a lot is possible. Like $12.5, $15, those would be my first price targets. Now, so I am bullish technically on Badger. Now, fundamentally though, I do think that if you look at this move, I do think it's manipulated. And before you come at me, I know that Badger is revealing some major information and some major news the 26th of March. But when I look at moves like this, first of all right, this is a huge move that usually doesn't happen with with some sort of a spotlight like this or some sort of hype like this. Usually you don't rally 120%. And then apart from that, if you look at the volume, like there's a ton of volume, like more than half is coming from shady exchanges. So that's ZKE and SuperX. And for me, that's enough. All right, it's very bullish. It's over proportional moves with a lot of volume coming from manipulated exchanges. Now, do I think that's negative? No, but that does mean that you should expect volatility. All right. So yeah, but like I said, it's not negative, and I do want to stress that I am bullish on Badger. I think it's a great project. I think it has potential. I think on the long term, if you zoom out technically, much more growth is possible. But we do need to be honest about the situation for Badger, and that's just that you do need to be prepared for big moves. All right. So if you look at Badger right now in terms of the momentum, it still looks bullish. So I think it's most likely that we will continue this bullish momentum. The main resistance level, like I said, also if you historically look at it, is probably around 10, maybe a bit higher, around 10.3, 10.5 maybe. But I do think that if you, I almost have to sneeze, but I do think it's most likely that we will get up there and that we have a real chance to break above that to rally up to 12.5. That would be my first real price target. Because 10.3 is technically the same level as 9.5 right here, the same key area. So this is what I think is most likely. Now, if you really want to be safe, which I would advise you to be, I would just wait for a breakout. All right, on the 1 hour time frame. So if we really zoom in, you can see that 8.3 and 9.4 are really functioning as the main key levels in which Badger bounces right now. Just wait for one of those two to break. It seems most likely, like I said, with the momentum we've seen for Badger and with the fundamentals behind it, and because of its manipulation, it seems most likely we'll get that bullish breakout. But it's always best to wait for confirmation. And if for whatever reason, which you should be prepared for, Badger breaks down below its main support at 8.3, it's most likely will drop down to that $7 level. And from there, I might actually buy some. But that's, yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, that's what you need to know on Badger. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, take care, enjoy your Sunday, and bye.